Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to log in to your WordPress dashboard as an administrator. First of all, on your browser, open the WordPress website, and after your website name or URL, just give a slash and then type wp-admin and hit enter. And then you will directly jump into your WordPress dashboard sign-in page. In this username or email address box, write here your WordPress administrator username and write here your password and tap on login. And then you will be directly jump into your WordPress dashboard as an administrator, as you can see. And now from this WordPress dashboard, you will be able to easily customize your WordPress website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.